Bokeh, or Bokeh, or Boca, is a Japanese term to describe the pleasing and out of focus balls or orbs that will appear when the background goes really out of focus. They are the blurry orbs that you get, say when you're using fast prime lenses at the widest aperture, or you're at a long focal length and you have hard lights in the background that are really far away. You can actually see them with most lenses if you just get any type of hard small light in your shot and then bring your focus to the closest point. The closer to your minimum focusing point you are, and the wider the aperture that you use, the bigger the orbs will get. And if you're a regular Instagram user, you'll definitely be used to seeing a lot of these. I have my 50mm 1.4 and my A7 III, and with the aperture at f11, you can see how these lights look in the background. But if I open up the aperture by dropping my f number to 1.4 and I move the camera closer to these lights, look at them now. The lights go so out of focus that they start looking like big round orbs. And this is what's known as bokeh. So if you want to impress your photographer friend and they're boring you with all of the photos they have recently taken at the next dinner party, when you see these, try complimenting them on their bokeh balls. Now, if you want to learn to take photographs with that blurry background, click on this next video here. And if you want to know about your primary functions, that's aperture, shutter speed and ISO, click on this next video down here. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe for weekly photography tutorials. And I'll see you next time.